Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 7.1. The first question, let me read the question. Okay, you want to have an ice cream or a cake. There are three flavors, chocolate, strawberry and vanilla in the ice creams, and two flavors, orange and red velvet in the cakes. In how many possible ways can you choose an ice cream or a cake? So it is given that there is a cream as well as a cake, it's there. Okay, there are three flavors in a ice creams. What are that? Chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. These are the three ice creams, and the two flavors are there in the cake. What are the two flavors? Orange and velvet. So totally if you see means 3 plus 2. So how many possible ways were there? He asked that how many possible ways can you choose an ice cream or a cake? So which you can choose. So totally we have the number of sample spaces to be 5. Okay, we have 5 options. We can choose any one from that. Either it should be a ice cream or it should be a cake. So combinedly, or if comes itself, we should do union. So totally if you see means 5. So there are 5 possible ways way there to select an item. Second one, Shanti has a 5 chudidar sets and 4 frocks. In how many possible ways can she wear either a chudidar or a frock? Same the previous one. Here Shanti, she has 5 chudidar sets and 4 frocks. So when it comes in how many possible ways she wear either a chudidar or a frock. So either this or that. When it comes automatically it shows that it is a union, right? So here there are how many possible ways were there? 5 plus 4. Because 5 chudidar sets were there and frocks 4 frocks were there. There are how many possible ways? Mean there are 9 possible ways. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 possible ways she can choose either a chudidar or a frock. Third question, in a higher secondary school, the following groups are available in 11th standard. And the first one is a science group, which have the 3 types of groups in that. Physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Since you are the 8th standard, after 10th you are also going to choose any one of these groups. So better you can understand what you mean it to be. Now the first one is science group. It contains physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Optional, that is Tamil and English should be included with that. Okay. And the second group, physics, chemistry, mathematics and computer science. So if you choose the first one, you can select for a doctor. And the second one is suitable for engineering. And the third one is physics, chemistry, biology and home science. And then the second group is arts group. So this is accounts, commerce, economics and business maths, accounts, commerce, economics and computer science, history, geography, economics and commerce. So when you select these groups, you are not eligible for engineering and doctor. It is preferable for the only BCom. Okay, it is only for the arts and science groups. So only for the degree session. So 3 years course like BCom or BBA or BA English or BA Economics. So you can choose these ways for this. So this is for the arts group. So this is only eligible for degree. Okay. Then the next one is vocational group. In this biology, nursing theory, nursing practical and nursing practical 2. And the second one is home science, textiles and dress designing theory, textiles designing practical 1 and textiles and dress designing practical 2. So here this is vocational group. This is different entirely. So this will also have some of the options for you to select the degree session. So here the question is, in how many possible ways can a student choose a group? Okay, which group to be selected? So there are only 3 groups, but every group we have another 3 sets of groups. Actually in a science group you have 3 more groups, in arts group you have 3 more groups, and in vocational you have again 2 groups. So totally 3 plus 3 plus 2. So totally you have 8 groups. Okay, so what are the possible ways? Means there are 8 possible ways are there to select one group from that. Okay, now the fourth question. If you have 2 school bags and 3 water bottles, then in how many different ways you choose each one of them while going to school? See, here it is given the 2 school bags. No one will take 2 school bags to school. We used to have only 1 school bag. And 3 water bottles. No one will take 3 water bottles. It is only, we used to take only 1 water bottle. But it is given that 2 school bags and 3 water bottles. In how many different ways you can choose each one of them? See, I can choose 1 school bag with 3 out of any 3 bottles. I can choose 1 bottle. I can choose another bag with that another 3 bottles, any one of the bottle. So totally what are the possible ways here? Means 2 into 3. Why? Because this and that. So we have to take the 2 into 3. How many possible ways? For the question is how many different ways, you choose each one of them. So you are going to select one with one. In that way, how many ways were there, it is asked. So there are 6 ways were there to select one bag with one bottle. Okay, so it is 6 possible ways. That's it. Thank you.